Australia is home to a variety of beautiful and interesting birds, each with its own unique way of life. Have you ever wondered why the whipbird makes a whip-like sound? Or why the lyrebird mimics the sound of other birds? These and many more bird behaviours are explored in my new book release, What Birds Teach Us. Recent studies have shown that birds are much more intelligent than we previously thought. This beautifully illustrated second edition features over 100 photographs of 37 of Australia's popular birds. Discover each bird's important life lesson. A great gift idea for all ages,